Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go to above, you will search about Telegram as you see, and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. As you see here in this page of storage, you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.